Hey, howdy folks, this is Rampage here at the unboxing of this month's WrestleCrate. Let's check out what's inside. Pre-cut the tape this time, we learned our lesson in the past. Oh, this is pretty cool. We are going to start off with a Liger t-shirt. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. NXT Brooklyn this year. Liger with flowers, nonetheless. Maria should be worried. Let's see. Put that over there. Next up, we have Honor versus Evil. Ring of Honor. 6-man elimination match. No time limit. Davey Richards, Michael Elgin, Adam Cole versus Scum. Being Kevin Steen, Jimmy Jacobs, and Steve Corino. Also, Kyle O'Reilly versus BJ Whitmer. Charlie Haas versus Pepper Parks. Roderick Strong versus ACH. Mark Briscoe versus Spider Nate Webb. Jay Lethal versus Hatteras Thomas. And Jay Briscoe versus QT Marshall. Bonus, Ring of Honor Tag Team Championship match. Jay Lethal and Mark Briscoe versus Scum, being Jimmy Jacobs and Steve Corino. Pretty sweet. This is 2013, it looks like. Very cool. I love Ring of Honor. I've been getting to know more about them, so I'll definitely be checking that out. CZW Studios. Use the code WrestleCrate for free. Sweet. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Oh. There we go. Triple H WrestleMania 30 with the full battle armor. Okay. We'll open him up in just a moment here. What else do we have? We've got a poster. House of Hardcore, Saturday, July 18th, 2015. Pretty sweet there. Oh, we got another card this month. This is the same style as the Seth Rollins I've got previously. And, oh, a Rhino autograph. Oh, it's even WWE Rhino. There we go. Pretty awesome there. And the WrestleCrate Limited Edition, Calling Spots. Fight Owens Fight. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Okay. Slide that back in there, slide that back in there. Move that box, okay. Let's check out this Triple H figure. How do we open this box? Looks like it's the tab back here. Lists his highlights as being WWE Champion, World Heavyweight Champion, Intercontinental Champion, Unified Tag Team Champion, World Tag Team Champion. Here we go. Crazy WrestleMania 30 entrance attire, which is the one where Charlotte, I believe, and Sasha Banks were both part of the crew that came out to ringside with him. Check that out. He's got the armor and the helm. How does this open so I don't break the little peg there? That opens and comes off. Got the crazy little helmet there as well. There we go. H with that recognizable schnoz. We'd know that anywhere. Pretty cool. He's got the little elbow pads that have the Iron Cross on one of them. Let's see the focus. And it's got the it's not gonna focus. It's got the skull and sledgehammer on the other side. Pretty cool figure there. So we got him with the crazy robe and the helmet. Don't know if I'm going to keep him in the case with the robe and the helmet, or if we're going to... I'll probably keep him in there like that. It is pretty cool to have the whole set together. But we got that. We got Ring of Honor DVD. Access to CZW Studios. I don't know if this is... Oh, first time subscribers only. After that, it's $9.99 a month. So we'll check that out for the first month there. Got the cool House of Hardcore poster. And then we've got the Fight Owens Fight Calling Spots card here. And the awesome Rhino autograph. I'm pretty stoked, folks. I'm enjoying this. I'm going to be keeping my subscription. I'm totally digging WrestleCrate this week, or this month. Anyone has any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. As always, please subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.